I'm Kai.
I'm Talina.
I'm Jaina.
I'm Miguel. I'm Osvaldo. I'm Eric.
I'm Sia.
Steven.
I'm Brittany, and you're watching TNN.
Good morning. Welcome to TNN. I'm Eric.
And I'm CMR. Today is Friday, March 13th, 2020. Thank you for joining us.
Our tornado traits are respect, responsibility, and service learning. Today's quote is a quote by Anne Frank. The final forming of a person's character lies in their own hands.
And this month's character trait is caring. Caring means being kind to others.
Friday was the honor roll ceremony and breakfast. Students received their certificates and pins for earning honor roll or principal's list. After the ceremony, students enjoyed a delicious breakfast. Today is the last day to buy a yearbook sticky note. Sticky notes cost only $5. You may write to a student, a class, a team, or even an irreplaceable officer. If you have a message, you can send an email to Mrs. Chikalas.
Women's History Month highlights the contribution of women in society and events in history. From March 1st to March 31st, we will be celebrating historical women accomplishments that paved the way for women today. Today's historical woman is Bessie Coleman, the first black woman to earn a pilot license. Because flying schools in the United States denied her entry, she taught herself French and moved to France. She earned her license from France's well-known Caudron Brothers School of Aviation in just 7 months. Coleman specialized in stunt flying and parachuting, earning a living performing aerial tricks. She remains a pioneer of women in the field of aviation. St. Patrick's Day is next Tuesday. Here are some fun facts about St. Patrick's Day. The color of St. Patrick's Day was originally blue. The first St. Patrick's Day celebration in Philadelphia was in 1771. To celebrate St. Patrick's Day, Chicago dyes their river green for a few hours.
And now let's go to Me for the weather. Thanks, Me. Today will be a high of 71 degrees with rain. Saturday and Sunday will be partly cloudy with highs of 57 and 54 degrees. Monday will also be partly cloudy with highs of 51 degrees. On Tuesday, you can expect light showers with a high of 64 degrees. On Wednesday, it will be partly cloudy with a high of 64 degrees. That's all I have for you this week. Back to you, Ciamara.
Tryouts for spring sports took place earlier this week. The baseball and softball teams will have their first scrimmages next week. The boys volleyball team had their first game scheduled for Wednesday at home.
Last week, students and staff attended the Philadelphia Flyers game versus the Carolina Hurricanes. The score was 4-1.
The Wellness Committee is sponsoring a canned food drive to benefit the South Jersey Food Bank. Cans will be collected in homes, and the winner with the most cans will be able to choose either a pizza or bagel party. The last day to donate is March 27th. Good luck.
The penny war ends today. Checks will be in the main lobby during non-lunch periods and in the cafeteria during lunch periods. Points are earned for coins that are donated. Points are deducted for dollars placed in the jugs. The grade with the most coins will win the war. Hurry up and make your last-minute donations.
March 14th is also known as Pi Day because the date is the first 3 digits of pi. If you put the pi symbol in a calculator, it will stop at the 10th digit. But on Pi Day last year, Emma Haruka Iwao and some of her coworkers at Google calculated pi to 31.4 trillion decimal places. They beat the previous record by 9 trillion digits.
Good morning, CCTS students and staff. As your principal, I wanted to assure you that we are monitoring the current world situation and are planning ahead just in case the Department of Health closes our school. As you know, you have had 2 early dismissals this week so that your teachers can plan and prepare various assignments that you will be able to complete at home if necessary. If the Department of Health closes our school, you will be able to access your work through Google Classroom, real-time, or paper assignments. You can also reach out to your teachers with questions or ask for clarification through Google Classroom, email, or Remind. Please take these assignments seriously as they will be graded. We are making every effort to ensure that these days will count should the department close our school. Thank you for listening. Enjoy your weekend.
That's all we have for you this week.
Thank you for joining us and have a great weekend.